Hi friends, today I'll be showing you how to make an origami princess dress. This is the reference to the dress. So let's begin. All you need is this origami paper. No scissor, nothing. You need to fold your paper into half. Something like this. So you get this fold. Okay? And then the next thing you do is fold the half into half. Same with the other side. Okay, so you should get something like this. And then again, the half that you folded, you will fold that as well into half. Same with the other side. Okay, then all you do is fold it. I'll show you again. The folds that we had was 1, 2, 1, 2. Turn it, and now you fold it like this. Okay, making sure that all the lines are perfect, aligning with each other. Now all we do is you fold this, but not into half. Okay, fold this and then fold this like this. Okay, then keep a space of 1 finger and fold it back down. So you should get something like this. Good enough. Then all you need to do is just pull this. Gives a nice effect. Do you see? This is the bottom of the gown. Got a nice gown here. And all we need to do is, now here we need to be a bit careful. It's easy, but then if you don't do it well, it won't look good. All we need to do is get a triangle here. You see this? I just drag this here. The same thing with the other side. Let's keep this gap here. Make sure the paper you are folding the other side is always the trickier one. Okay. Then we get something like this. All we need to do is just fold this. And you have your princess origami dress ready. For more such videos, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching my video today.